Before we talk about virtual PPA, let's keep it simple. Imagine I book a deal with a hotel. No matter how room rates move, I always settle at $200 a night. If the market rate is higher, the hotel pays me the difference. If it's lower, I pay them. So that's a contract for difference, or we also call that CFD. Now, drop this logic into the power market. A virtual PPA is basically the same. You're not really buying electricity, you are betting on the price difference and collecting renewable energy credits along the way. Okay, here we go. Let's see how the cash actually moves. Imagine the strike price is $30 per megawatt hour, and our wind farm makes 1,000 megawatt hours this month. When the market price is high, say 50, project sales at market 50,000 revenue. Under the CFD, it pays the 20,000 difference to the buyer. The buyer also takes 1,000 renewable credits, and the project still lands at 30,000. And when the market price is low, say 20, project sales at market 20,000 revenue, and under the CFD, the buyer tops up the 10,000 difference to the project. The project again lands at 30,000, so the buyer pays 10,000 and still keeps 1,000 renewable credits. Okay, in short, the project always logs strike times generation, and the buyer takes the ups and downs and walks away with the green credits. So, why do big players like Google or Amazon sign a virtual PPA? Okay, here are 3 reasons. First, stability. When power price spike, their electricity bills jump too, so the virtual PPA cushions the heat like a seatbelt. And second, opportunity. If they locked a cheap strike price years ago and market price stay high, they keep collecting difference payments. It's like freezing yesterday's discount for years. Third, compliance and brand. Every megawatt hour comes with a renewable credits. That proves they are clean and green. Regulators like it, investors like it, and cheaper financing often follows. Okay, in short, virtual PPA means stable revenue for projects, risk protection for buyers, and a solely green story for the world to see. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. She Talks Energy.